I am Nafisa from Studionafisa, and today we will draw some animals using hearts. Let's start with a fish first. To draw a fish, I'm gonna mark 2 dots to help me draw an upside down heart. We start from the top dot, go a little deeper below the lower dot, and then come back. Almost looks like a candy cane. And we do the same thing on the right side. Let's add 2 eyes. A mouth. There's a tail. This is also going to be a heart. So I'm going to draw a small heart there. Notice that I did not draw the tip. Another heart, a little bigger heart to draw its fin. Another big heart here on the left for the left fin. Add some marks here. If you want, you can draw some patterns on the tail. Darken the inside of the mouth a little. And there you go, that is a fish. So we used one really big heart, 2 medium-sized heart, and a small heart. Now we will draw a dog. I'll mark a dot here. And I'll draw a medium-sized heart here, going a little bit slanting. And it's a little tall too. I'll draw one more this side. And we will draw a big heart in the middle. It's part of the heart. We're not able to see the top part of the heart. Almost looks like a number 3 here. A small heart for its nose. Two eyes. A small heart upside down for the tongue. We can add some dots. That is a dog. Let's try to draw a butterfly. Butterflies are so much fun to draw. For drawing a butterfly, we need a heart, maybe that tall. And then it's really very skinny. That will become the body of the butterfly. We're going to draw a small heart on the top. This will be its head. Maybe it has antenna there with 2 small hearts, tiny hearts. Now we will draw the wings. Those will also be hearts. Going to draw right from the middle of this big heart. Draw a really big heart. And we do the same thing on the left side. Can add some design over there. That is a butterfly. Maybe give 2 eyes there. So we use 2 big hearts, 1 skinny long heart, and a medium heart, and a lot of small hearts. How about we draw a lobster? To draw a lobster, we're going to first start with maybe drawing its tail. So I'm going to mark a dot here. That will be the tip of the heart. And I will draw part of the heart. Notice that it did not join it over here. And here we're going to add some zigzag lines. We'll draw another heart for the body. Notice I'm not joining those. This way I have to draw several. And the last one. All these hearts look stacked up on one on top of each other. This is where the eye of the lobster will be, and this is its jaw. We'll draw 2 more hearts on the side. And add the zigzag lines. That is a lobster. So we drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hearts. Let's draw a cat now. To draw a cat, I'll mark 2 dots here and draw a big heart. That's the right side of the heart. And the left side. We will draw 2 small hearts for the ears. One small heart for the nose. Two tiny hearts for the eyes, and we will fill them up. Let's add its mouth. Some dots here. And some whiskers. That is a cat. I hope you enjoyed drawing all these, and I'll see you next time. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.